Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today I am going to show you another set of important problems for your coming final exam. If you go through number of question papers, you will find these sort of problems. All the problems are important. What you need to do is you have to do it by your own. Okay, obviously under our guidance. So don't worry, let's start. What is given here? Here it is given p is equal to root over x plus 2 plus root over x minus 2 divided by root over x plus 2 minus root x minus 2. So prove that p square minus px plus 1 is equal to 0. You know, these sort of problems can be done in many ways. Okay, all of you know from ratio proportion chapters that how to do using componendo dividendo. If a by b is equal to c by d, then by implementing componendo dividendo, you can write a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Here we will apply the same thing, componendo dividendo. Okay, here we are considering like this. P means p by 1, right, is equal to this by this. Okay, so let's start. P means p by 1. So I'm writing here p by 1 is equal to x plus 2, x minus 2. And here it is x plus 2 minus x minus 2. By componendo dividendo, by componendo dividendo, I think all of you know, if a by b is equal to c by d, then by componendo dividendo, then by componendo dividendo, we can write a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Here, in a nutshell, it is written, if a by b is equal to c by d, then by componendo dividendo, we can write a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. You don't need to write this one. You don't need to show this one in your answer. Here, I have written for your own benefit, okay, so that you can understand how it is going on, right? So let's back to the problem. By componendo dividendo, we can write p plus 1 by p minus 1 is equal to root over x plus 2 plus root over x minus 2 plus root over x plus 2 minus x minus 2. And here it is root over x plus 2 plus x minus 2 minus root over x plus 2 and x minus 2. So it is coming like 2 root over x plus 2, and here it is 2 root over x minus 2. Now by squaring both the sides, we can write, by squaring both the sides, we can write p plus 1 whole square by p minus 1 whole square is equal to root over x plus 2 whole square by root over x minus 2 whole square. Right, by squaring both the sides. Okay, what we are getting? Now we are doing one thing. Again we are doing componendo dividendo. Okay, so twice we are doing componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo, we can write p plus 1 whole square, p minus 1 whole square, and here it is p plus 1 whole square, p minus 1 whole square. Here it would be x plus 2 plus x minus 2, and it is x plus 2 minus x minus 2. Therefore, we can write p plus 1 whole square plus p minus 1 whole square means 2p square plus 1, and here it is 4p, that is equal to 2x by 4. So ultimately, after cross multiplication, we can write p square plus 1 is equal to p square plus 1 is equal to px, or we can write p square minus px plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so try to understand. Twice componendo dividendo method have been implemented. Once here, next here. Just by doing componendo dividendo twice, this problem easily coming. Easily you can reach to our final goal. What to show? We have to show p square minus px plus 1, that is equal to 0. So my dear students, my earnest request is, and my suggestion is, do these sort of problems by your own. Okay, that will increase your confidence, right? Okay, now I'm coming back with another problem. Here is another problem. This problem belongs to compound interest. What is given? What they are asking? What is the compound interest of rupees 10,000 in 2.5 years at the rate of 10% compounded annually? Okay. First, you have to search what data have been given. Right? Principal is 10,000. Right, it is. Rate of interest is 10%. Okay. Time is 2.5 years. You might face some problems dealing these 2.5 years. Let's see how this problem can be sorted out. Just see what is given. All of you know the formula of compound interest. There is only one formula. That is, you can find by implementing that formula the amount. You know the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, where A is amount, P is principal, there is the amount deposited, R is the rate of interest, and N is time frequency. Time frequency means here it is annually. 10% rate is, here the rate is 10% compounded annually. So we have to find the time in respect to per year. How many years are there? 2 whole year and half year. Okay, so let's start. First we will try to find the compound interest after 2 years. Okay, so after 2 years, compound interest is equal to A minus P. So A means T 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N minus P. Okay. Here it is. First we have to find out the A. P is 10,000. 1 plus 10 by 100 into 2, that is 10,000. 110 by 100. Ultimately it is coming as 12100. 12,100 becomes the amount after 2 years. So compound interest will be 12,100 minus 10,000, that is rupees 2100. Okay. Now we have to find the interest after half year. So after half year, you know, here we will implement the formula of simple interest, right? Already after 2 years, directly implementing the compound interest formula, we got amount as rupees 12100. Rupees 12100 is the amount, and interest becomes rupees 2100. All of you know that after 2 years, this amount becomes the principal, right? It is. So now we are going to find out the interest after 6 months or half year using I is equal to PTR by 100. Okay. I is equal to PTR by 100. Here it is 12100. Time is 1 by 2 into 10 into 100. That is rupees 605. Rupees 605 is the interest. Okay. Therefore, after 2.5 years, total interest is equal to, after 2 years we got the interest as rupees 2100, and after half year interest becomes rupees 605. So it will be rupees 2100 plus 605, that is rupees 2705. 2705. Okay. Rupees 2705. So my dear students, what I would like to say you, to concentrate on few things. One is time given in fraction, whole number and fraction, right? There is mixed fraction, 2.5 years. First we did by implementing compound interest formula. After 2 years we have found amount and interest. Okay. And then for next half year, simple interest formula implemented. All of you know, while doing compound interest, every year, after every year, amount becomes the principal of the next year, isn't it? So in this way, we have found after half year interest becomes rupees 605, and after 2 years it was initially rupees 2100. So ultimately, After 2 years, total interest becomes 2705. Okay, so keep practicing these sort of problems by your own. So during our next class, we will show you another set of interesting problems. Okay, so please keep practicing. Lots of problems are coming, and I hope you will get benefited from these sort of problems. Till then, goodbye.